The Image Lab was created for Transliteracy Conference 2010, June 11th and 12th in Owen Sound, Ontario, by staff at Adult Learning Centre's Grey-Bruce-Georgian. This presentation was created and originally presented by Miranda Miller from the Owen Sound Adult Learning Centre. This workshop explores screen captures, image editing, avatars, and generators for adult learning and LBS practitioners. Once upon a time, the internet seemed like a bit of a free-for-all. Many people mistakenly believed that any images online were free for anyone to use. They would simply do a Google search, filter out the images, and use them in their material. However, this doesn't give credit to the creator of the media, the license holder. When you find an image online that you'd like to use, always look for Creative Commons license information. If it isn't visible, ask the publisher through the website if you can use the image, or simply send an email requesting permission. Roger and Caitlin discussed Creative Commons licenses at length in their presentation, Finders Keepers. You will also find an ebook about copyright on your Transliteracy 2010 memory stick. When possible, use your own images in your material to avoid any copyright issues. You can upload digital pictures from your camera or cell phone, scan existing photos, create images using software, scan illustrations made by you or your students, or design charts and other visuals using Office software. Screen capturing is another way to generate images. These allow you to record a snapshot of your computer screen and edit it to use as an image. Press Print Screen, then paste into Paint, and save as a picture. Screen capture software makes this process a little bit easier. Snagit captures all or part of the screen, converts it to an image, and allows you to edit, resize, and more. You can add special effects to the images, and you can also have several going at once and toggle between them. Try adding text or using some of the other advanced editing options to create new images you could incorporate into your learning material. Digital images are made of pixels of different depths of color. More pixels equals a higher resolution picture. This gives you better image quality, but also gives you a larger file size. Understanding how digital images work will help you choose the right type and size of image for your project. Let's look at an example of two different types of images. We began with the higher resolution JPEG image on the right and converted it to a lower resolution GIF image. You can see that when the two different types of images are displayed at the same size, the lower resolution picture is grainy and pixelated. The GIF image has fewer pixels and is therefore not as clear. There are many different types of image files, and each has its advantages. High-quality JPEGs are great for use in print material, while bitmaps, GIFs, and PNGs are better for use online. This is because their smaller file sizes take up less space on your blog or web page. TIFFs are the preferred file format for media storage, while icons are very small graphics, such as the one you used for your picture on the Ning. One of the sites we like to use for image editing at the Adult Learning Centre is picnic.com. It's free to use with the option to upgrade to a paid account for more features. Picnic allows you to upload the image, edit, and then download it back to your computer. You don't have to buy the software and install it on your laptop or desktop. Here you can see just a few of the things you can do with Picnic, starting with just plain text. Editing images using a web service such as Picnic is a cycle. You begin with some type of image, upload it to the Picnic website, complete your editing, and then download it back to your computer. Save the finished image with a new file name, so you have both the original and the edited version to use. Picnic offers a number of basic editing tools, allowing you to change the tone of the colors, sharpen the image, remove red eye, change the exposure, resize the image, and more. These are just a few examples of some of the more advanced editing features on Picnic. You can add text and frames and stickers and more. Some of these editing features are marked premium. These are for users with paid accounts. Everything else is open for free users. This is a chance for you to get really creative with your learning or promotional material. Imagine how you could edit and alter your own images or images you found online to use in your lessons, activities, marketing material, as pictures on your blog, or for your agency website. This is an example of a picture of a computer in the Adult Learning Center with text and a few editing features that we can use in promotional material. Let's look at a few other fun and creative ways to generate images. Avatars are computer-generated images you can use to represent yourself online. Many people prefer to use avatars on sites like Facebook and Ning instead of photos to help protect their privacy. There are literally thousands of websites you can use to create an avatar. Simply do a Google search for the word avatar and choose the one you like the best. You may not be able to download your avatar directly from the website. Take a screen capture, save the entire screen as an image, and upload it to Picnic. You can then crop away everything but the avatar and save it as a new image. Generators are another tool used to create original images and content. In the Etch-a-Sketch example, you input text and the program creates a new image customized with your message. In the computer technology timeline example, the user typed in their raw, plain text data and the generator converted it to a visual. Generators allow you to take information and present it in new creative ways that are often more appealing to visual learners. Caitlin and Roger explored Wordle in their visual learning and mind mapping workshop. Wordle is actually a generator. It allows you to type in a string of words and phrases, then converts this data to a visual. You can then change the color, fonts, and layout to create an image unique to your organization. This is another one of the many ways we can create and edit data and information, making it easier to digest and more appealing. These are a few examples of the types of educational and promotional material you can create using images and generators. The chalkboard image began as a royalty-free stock illustration. We used Picnic to add text to visually demonstrate a concept for learners. The certificate was created using a generator, while the top left and bottom right examples are edited photos. Here are your Image Lab activities. First, search sxc.hu or flickr.com for an image, then upload it to Picnic and create a new image you can use to promote your organization or help your learners. Remember to save this to your memory stick when you're finished. Next, search Google or visit the adult.learning Delicious account and choose a generator. Create a new image or tool and save. Thank you for participating in the Image Lab at Transliteracy Conference 2010. We hope you were able to take with you some new ideas you can use in your classrooms. We also give thanks to the many digital media publishers whose images we used throughout this presentation.